soundbite series is designed to give you an understanding of the type of sounds you may hear while travelling on the railway. You may hear some of these sounds, you may hear none of these sounds, or you may hear all of these sounds while travelling.
Station sounds. Ticket vending machines. Hand dryers. Customer lifts.
Tom toss. Doors opening. Lift going up.
Emergency opening of ticket gates.
Stand clear of the gates! Stand clear of the gates!
Announcements.
Once again, we are sorry to announce that the 10:16 service to Westbury is delayed by approximately 10 minutes. That's an approximately 10-minute delay on the 10:16 service to Westbury on platform number 1.
Item stuck in ticket gate. Fire alarm. Deployment of ramps. Station cleaning and delivery vehicles. Customer assistance vehicles. Busy platforms. Platform staff / shouting.
Stand beyond the yellow line!
Station whistle.
Ready?
Suitcase wheels. Child / children crying. Bird sounds. Level crossing